Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. Week ended yesterday, Friday. So let's get it started. Let me, what the heck happened here? Okay, here. So this is the first trade on the 3rd, November 3rd. The entry was last Friday, means Friday before this, on the 1st, I guess, or the second. It's on the first, November 1st. But I closed this, end up closing for 70 pip on the third. Okay. So from here, the game start from here. And on the fourth, there was no trade at all. I remember the election just before the election and then election 4, 5, and 6. So, but still, I managed to trade this Bitcoin, right? So on 5th, this is what it is. Buy order is right there from here all the way there. Second trade. Now this one, Euro USD on the 5th for 95 pip. Buy order is right there. And this one next is again BTC going to the upside. Buy order is right there. Second order there. This one, Euro USD now going to the downside. 115 pip on the 6th. Right when the results start to come in, that's where it happens. This one, pound USD 7-minute chart, beautiful short entry here for 95 pip to the downside on the 6th. On the 6th, again, Euro Aussie also opened the trade. These, with the small little arrow, these trades are opened by my CTS5 live automated robot, right? And it opens the trade, plays the SL, plays the TP, whatever you suggest, and once the TP is hit, the trade is automatically closed, right? So that is helping me a lot. A lot of trades, what is happening is that after doing my analysis and after I determine the direction, I place my EA long only or short only in that direction. For example, I'll show you that not this one, but like for example this one. This is what I'm expecting next week in pound USD 40-minute chart XABC. This is the calculation: 78%, 23%. And if it bounced from 23%, if it stays here, then I should get an entry on 7-minute chart somewhere here going wrong. That's what I'm going to take. And instead of me just waiting and sitting there and waiting, I know already that this is what I'm expecting. So I will put my EA there on a 7-minute chart, making it long only, right? So even if there is a short setup, it's not going to open, right? So only long setup it would take, and if the price is going to the upside, definitely I will get my long setup, and this EA will make the entry. That's how it is. Even if I'm sleeping or I'm not available, whatever, if something happened behind me, my EA will open the trade and place the SL. That's how it is very handy, very, very useful. So this one is a pound Aussie 7-minute chart going to the downside, 70 pip on the 6th. On the 6th, gold, 200 gold chart. I made that we are going to go down from my 4-hour chart, and that's why it started to go down. And then I was expecting it. So this year is a little bit different than the other one because gold settings are different. So I have this Sam's oil and gold. Right nowadays, I'm not touching the oil at all for a couple of months now. But yeah, so oil and gold have the same setting. So I have made another EA robot to trade these with this setting. So you don't have to change the setting again and again and again, right? This one, Aussie yen, going to the upside for 130 pip. And then this one on the 7th, pound yen, going to the upside for 165 pip. And then on the 7th, gold after that is going up here. Beautiful long entry here. And from 2664 to 2697. And this one is your USD yen going to the downside for 120 pip on the 7th. And then this one is S&P 500 on the 7th from 5932 to 5973. This is NASDAQ from 208.13 to 211.03 on the 7th. This is just a chart that I'm working on and trying to make a new strategy. Easy. simple, it's easy, as to look of it, but I don't know. But now this one is pound yen, 20-minute going down now again, 180 pip, and I'll show you why they are going down. They means all the yen pairs. This one pound Aussie going to the upside for 150 pip on 8, and this is euro Aussie on 8, 75 pip to the upside. Now this one you can see, you just saw pound yen for 180. This is euro yen. Entry is right there. Sell entry, 140 pip all the way. And on the 8th, Aussie yen from here, 115 pip. And CJ, CAD yen, short 65 pip. So CAD yen is short on 8th, right? And the same day, Aussie yen short on the same day, euro yen short, and on the same day, pound yen short, and the day before was USD short. But why all these yen pair going down? Why? Because I made the chart earlier, a few days ago, and I said that they're all going to be going down. And this was the chart. I said 28 October, I made this chart and I gave it to my subscriber, posted it on the Telegram and all of that. And I explained it in my webinar to my subscribers completely, from A to Z, what will happen. And this is going to happen if we stay below 61%. Right? This is like a maybe 1 or A, and this A, B, C correction to 61%, maybe 2 or B, and then we're going to be dropping. So what happened to this chart? You can see, let me show you. This happened. It started to come down, it went up one more time, and then this downside was Thursday and Friday, right? The 7th and the 8th. That's why you saw me taking this pound yen. On the 7th, pound yen short, and then I had on 8th, I have GJ short, EJ short, AJ short, and CJ short. All went down, all yen pair went down big time. And this is just the starting. This is just, you can see the small move. Imagine if it goes all the way down here. Those yen pairs will be going down for hundreds and maybe thousands of pips. Right? So this is how the analysis, and after the analysis, I use my EA to get all these trades. While I'm doing something else, my EA keep opening the trades. Some of these trades, trust me, some of these trades happen more than 100 pips, and I didn't even know that they are open because you don't need to. SL is always 25 pips. And when the price move a little bit, SL automatically comes to break even. So, the worst that can happen is that I'll probably lose 25 pips. But if I'm not there, I'm sleeping, EA will open the trade and wait until, 20, 25 pip positive, and SL jump to break even. Now I have a free trade. So I wake up like 10 hours later and I see, oops, 110 pip trade. Good, thank God. And I close the trade. Simple as that. That's exactly happened to this. Let me show you. This pound yen, I put it on the Telegram, and I said, look, this is gonna happen. I put the entry there. Which one? Where the heck is this one? Right. So when it was, I was making an entry, I posted on the Telegram. Then I went to sleep, and I woke up. It was here. Right. So I said to everyone that was 100 pip, right? So I said, okay, go ahead and close because 100 pip is enough. So I said, Friday, what the hell? I'm sitting on a break even. So let us see how far it's going to go. And it went up to all the way here. So 150 pip, I end up closing for 150 pip. But, for the Telegram people, 100 pip is enough now, right? So that's how it is. Yeah. So this is sidetrack, sorry. So now, coming back to the topic, that these are the trades, and if you like what you saw, if you are curious about this EA, you want to know how to use it, what it is, how to use it, and how you can get it, then you can simply go to my website here. Everything is available here. Website subscription, one-on-one coaching, harmonic pattern, Elliott wave, this, that. You can learn every single thing from A to Z that this business has to offer, and you become master of this business first, and then you have the EA. If you get that and you learn how to use it, life is set. All right. So you can have EA opening the trades for you. All you have to do is that when you see a big trade happen already, 60, 70, 100 pip, 120 pip, just see what it is. I teach you everything, how to find the target and how to hold the trade to the max. Different pairs move differently. Euro USD, the whole day, it moves 60 pip, 65 pip, not more than that. Pound Aussie move almost 170. Nowadays, more than 200 pip. Pound yen move every single day more than 200 pip. So you have a better chance to get a big trade in those pairs rather than Euro franc or Euro USD, which only moves 60 pip a day. You know? That's why I don't trade Euro USD or pairs like that. Like Aussie USD doesn't move much. You have much better things. And the yen pairs, they move big, big, big. Euro yen, I had 40 pip. Pound yen, I had 80 pip, right? 180 pip. So that's how it is. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And I don't know. Omar was saying something about giving us discount and if it will do it, then I will send out the email or something like that. All right. But for me, this is it for now, and hopefully I will talk to you guys soon.